Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen is a brand that has been feeding fans of tasty New Orleans-style fried chicken and bold spices for many years. With its special recipes and strong flavors, Popeyes mixes tradition with new ideas to give customers great food experiences. Anecdote. The story of one of the first franchise owners who started with a small stand inspired many people to invest in this unique idea. How does a Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Popeyes uses a franchise system where local owners follow the brand's rules closely. This keeps the food and service the same in every restaurant. Fee structure. The starting fee is about $5,000. Every month there is a 5% royalty fee plus extra money for marketing. Support from Popeyes. The company gives full training, help with running the business, and strong advertising support to help owners grow their restaurants.
Anecdote. The success of the first franchise owner became a legend and inspired many future investors.
Entry costs for Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Starting a Popeyes costs between $383,500 and $26,800. This includes the franchise fee, building setup, equipment, and training. Potential earnings. A restaurant can make about $12,000 to $18,000 a year, giving a good return on investment.
Anecdote. One investor quickly earned more than expected, proving that the Popeyes model really works.
3. Step-by-step, how to register a Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. You start by talking to the franchise development team. They check if you're a good match. Documentation. You'll need to share a full business plan and money records, and details about where you want your restaurant to be. Duration. The whole process usually takes 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote. One person finished the process in just 3 months and everyone in his town was amazed.
Taxes and fees in Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. This is 10% to 37% of your yearly income. Property taxes. These are 1% to 5% and only for the building costs. State and local taxes. These are extra costs of 1% to 3% like sales tax and use tax. Licensing fees. These are about 0.5% to 1% of your yearly income. Marketing fees. These are usually about 5% of your income.
Anecdote. One owner became a role model by always doing his taxes perfectly.
Hiring employees in Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical restaurant has 40 to 50 workers to run everything smoothly. Training costs. Training costs $300 to $700 for each person and includes both class and hands-on practice. Training systems. The training mixes regular teaching with online learning so new workers can learn fast.
Anecdote. A fun contest for best customer service became a yearly tradition that makes teams excited to do their best.
Culver's operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Food and supply costs are $15,000 to $25,000 every month. Salaries and benefits. Worker pay is $5,000 to $2,000 per month. Rent and utilities. Rent is $5,000 to $15,000. Bills for water and electricity are $1,000 to $3,000. Maintenance and repairs. Fixing and keeping up the place costs $500 to $1,000 a month. Licensing and marketing fees. These monthly fees are $3,500 to $8,000. Total of all taxes. Taxes are $3,000 to $5,000 each month.
Anecdote. A new cost control system helped lower spending and became a new best practice.
7. Training and support. How does Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Training starts with strong lessons and hands-on practice that lasts a few weeks to a few months. Operational support. Company visits and talks with experts help you at every step. E-learning platform. A modern online platform helps you keep learning and improving. Marketing. Big advertising campaigns help you grow and attract more customers.
Anecdote. After training, one owner launched a promo event that doubled their customers.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Franchise inspections in Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. The company checks your restaurant every 3 months. Internal inspections. Yearly audits help keep everything running well. Frequency. There are 3 to 4 inspections per year.
Anecdote. One surprise inspection found a store so perfectly managed, it got praise across the region.
Profitability of Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. The average net profit is about 10% to 20%. ROI. It usually takes 5 to 7 years to get your investment back. Success factors. Important things are a good location, strong management, and loyal customers.
Anecdote. One store got all its investment back in just 5 years and became a big example to follow.
10. Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen in the market. How is the brand performing today? Key information. Market position. The brand has thousands of restaurants in the U.S. and is growing worldwide. Growth and expansion. More new restaurants are opening all the time, showing the brand's energy. Challenges and forecast. New ideas and great service help Popeyes stay strong against competitors.
Anecdote. Adding features like mobile ordering helped many stores sell more food.
11. Pros and cons of a Culver's franchise. What do you need to know before deciding? Key information. Pros. A. Strong, famous brand with loyal fans. B. Great support for daily work and marketing. C. A proven business model. D. Big chance for growing in other countries. Cons. A. High starting cost. $26,400 to $8,573 $3,000. B. Ongoing royalty and marketing fees. C. Strict rules for running things. D. Fast casual food market is very competitive.
Anecdote. One hardworking franchisee succeeded even with big challenges and inspired many future investors.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Learning about the market is very important. Financial assessment. You must check your money plans and possible earnings. Consultations with experts. Talking to experts helps you avoid costly mistakes. Support evaluation. You should check what kind of help the franchise company gives. Franchise agreement analysis. Carefully reading the contract shows you what you can expect and what's expected from you.
Anecdote. One business owner avoided big mistakes and built a great business thanks to careful planning and advice.
Conclusion. Who is the Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen franchise for, and is it worth investing? Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen is a great choice for business-minded people who want to run a restaurant with real New Orleans flavor. With an investment of $3,835 to $26,800 and a payback time of 5 to 7 years, this franchise offers strong income and great chances to grow. Anecdote. One restaurant success story became an inspiration for young investors, showing that passion and brand support lead to great results. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Jimmy John's. Is Jimmy John's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.